Tēnā koutou. Ko Te Whenua Walker tuku ingoa. Huri wake ke au no ngā iwi kei raro e te koro ai te maunga tito i a ara katoa ka Aotea. Ko tito ko wari te tangata ko Moniwea ka tapu ko Ngāti Roanui ngā ruini o Kiwi. Kia ora everyone. It's great to share a few thoughts about what Pepeha means to me. For a long time in Aotearoa, our workplaces were spaces where Māori culture was invisible because, it was deliberately kept out. And we were expected to leave our identity at the door and show up as a professional version of ourselves that just fits into the mould. And for me, Pepeha flips that on its head, and it connects me to something. It connects me to my mountain, to my river, to my people, my land, my history, and not only that, it states my responsibilities to those spaces as well, and those people. And when I stand and share my Pepeha, I'm not just talking about my wakapapa, where I come from. It's also about what's shaped me and what are the values that guide me, and the place and the people that I'm accountable to. And that's where I think it's real powerful, because when Māori can bring our whole selves to work, we lift the culture for everyone. We create spaces where people feel safe, they feel seen. You are good enough as you are. And Pepeha is one of the simplest, most authentic ways to do that. So it also states that we're not an individual, we're a collective. We come from somewhere, and we stand for something. And in my mahi, in my organisations, and definitely in tech, I think Pepeha is a reminder that culture it's just not a diversity initiative tick box. It's a foundation of who we are as Aotearoa New Zealand. And when we make space for Pepeha, we make space for identity, for well-being, for deeper relationships, and so that's why Pepeha is important to me. Nō reira, e aku nui aku rangatira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.